Jayakaran Sharma, a name that truly embodies the new definition of development. His efforts left a lasting impact on thousands of lives, an epitome of social service backed by unfailing commitment to attain prosperity for all. He is a business statesman driven by the idea of innovating every day to stay ahead in his work domain. Born on 1st November 1955 in a farmer's family of Jinjar, a small village in Haryana, Shri Jayakaran Sharma will always be remembered for his hard work, foresight, spirit to service, and his outstanding achievements in the field of logistics.
ये उनके जीवन की विशेषता थी कि उन्होंने सच्चाई के मार्ग पर इस व्यवसाय में काम किया और विशेष रूप से जो ऑटोमोबाइल लॉजिस्टिक है उसमें काफ़ी रिवोल्यूशनरी काम किया.
At the age of 17, his business journey that began in 1972 took a major turn with the setting up of Chetak Logistics in the year 1979. Starting his business with just one truck, he expanded it to 60 cities of the country with his tech-savvy and modern understanding and turned it into a fleet of over 2,500 heavy commercial vehicles and trailers. He achieved this by implementing modern techniques and by identifying and encouraging the skills and abilities of his colleagues and guiding them to achieve excellence.
Mr. Jayakaran Sharma, though moderately educated, was a self-made entrepreneur who brought in the best practices in logistics.
एक मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट तबका जो लॉजिस्टिक बिजनेस में होता है वो होता है ड्राइवर्स का. एंड आई थिंक श्री शर्मा ने जो लॉजिस्टिक्स में ड्राइवर्स का रोल था, अहम रोल को पहचाना शुरू से और ड्राइवर्स के उत्थान के लिए काफ़ी काम किया.
Due to his incredible personality and commitment to delivery, he received many prestigious awards like Rashtriya Udyog Ratna, Transport Samrat, and Excellent Citizenship Award for his contribution to the industrial and social sector. Jayakaran Sharma was recognized not only for his visionary thinking and gentle nature, but also for instilling a sense of commitment in the next generation.
He was a person with a great vision. At the same time, he had a heart of gold. He was people's person. He was always human at heart. चाहे कोई छोटे से छोटा क्लीनर हो, कोई ड्राइवर हो, उनका मैनेजर हो, हर एक के साथ वो बहुत प्यार से बात करते थे और उनके वेलफेयर का सदा ध्यान रखते थे.
He was man of commitment. He always respected his employees, associates, and customers. He always used to say, you have to deliver your customers' commitment even if you incur losses.
Even with unparalleled success in the logistics industry, he retained a humble demeanor, whether interacting with villagers, elders, friends, colleagues, or high-ranking ministers or industrialists. He treated all of them with respect.
My father was a great visionary and he always believed in value each and every person. He respected each and every person coming from his village and otherwise also his friends, and never differentiate between the rich and poor. The same values he has passed on to us.
Highly meticulous and disciplined, Shri Sharma maintained a fine work-life balance with his family, despite his professional and social commitments.
As a family man, भी वो अगर देखूं तो वो हमेशा डिसिप्लिन रहे टाइम को लेके और फैमिली के बारे में भी हमेशा सोचते रहते थे कि सारे के सारे मेरी फैमिली के अंदर सारे मेंबर्स दे शुड बी हैप्पी. कोई भी ओकेजन हो या किसी तरीके कोई फेस्टिवल हो या घर के अंदर कोई फंक्शन हो तो वो सबकी नीड का पूरा ध्यान रखते थे.
In the world of logistics, Shri Jayakaran Sharma is still remembered as a true leader and pioneer. Alden Global bestowed upon him the posthumous title, the Logistics Man of India. Under the aegis of the Social Impact Awards, he was also presented with the Lifetime Achievement Award. He also received the prestigious Man of Logistics Award for his outstanding contribution to the logistics industry. the Rashtriya Gaurav Samman for his generous philanthropy, the Z Real Heroes Award for his entrepreneurial success in generating significant employment, and the Social Reformer Award for championing the cause of women empowerment. His contributions to strengthening India's economic and social fabric was so significant that the Indian Postal Department issued a postal stamp in his honor. The stamp was released by Shri G. Kishan Reddy, the Honorable Union Cabinet Minister for Tourism, Culture and Development of the North-Eastern region of India.
उनके कार्यों को उनका परिवार चेयरपर्सन कृष्ण शर्मा जी के नेतृत्व में, उनके परिवार के नेतृत्व में, उनके साथ जितने भी कर्मचारी काम किया है उनके नेतृत्व में आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। आगे लेके जाना और उनका नाम, जयकरण जी का नाम आगे ले जाने के लिए जो प्रयास किया है, प्रयास कर रही हैं, मैं उनको भी अभिनंदन देना चाहता हूं।
Shri Jayakaran Sharma is well known for his acts of kindness and philanthropy. He actively addressed social issues by supporting girls' education, arranging marriages, and contributing to dharmshala, temples, health centers, and engineering colleges. To carry forward the legacy, his family has set up the Chetak Foundation to help the underprivileged in the areas of education, health, environment, and road safety, especially for the underprivileged.
आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, हमारे बच्चे उनका नाम आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं।
The remarkable life story of Shri Jayakaran Sharma was documented in his biography by Shri Madhurendra Sinha in Hindi, unveiled by the Minister for Road Transport and Highways, Shri Nitin Gadkari.
निश्चित रूप से ये सेक्टर हर समय जयकरण शर्मा जी का और उनकी क्रेडिबिलिटी, गुडविल और प्रोफेशनल एथिक्स की याद करता रहेगा।
The English biography penned by Shri Arun Arora was released by Shri Brijesh Pathak, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, and Shri Anurag Thakur, Honorable Minister for Information and Broadcasting, Youth Affairs and Sports.
पुस्तक में ये दर्शाया गया है कि कैसे एक व्यक्ति गांव से निकल करके, गरीबी से निकल करके इतना बड़ा लॉजिस्टिक का कारोबार खड़ा कर सकता है। नई पीढ़ी को प्रेरणा मिलेगी। पुनः मैं प्रभात जी का, सचिन जी का, अपने दोनों जो राइटर्स हैं हिंदी और अंग्रेजी का, रोला साहब का, श्रीधर साहब का बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन।
मुझे याद है जब मैं सचिन जी से मिला, मैंने सचिन जी से कहा कि सचिन जी, लॉजिस्टिक्स की दुनिया में आपके परिवार का, आपके पिताजी का एक बहुत बड़ा योगदान है जयकरण शर्मा।
We believe that Karma Yodha Jayakaran, who made a lasting impact on society and particularly in the logistics world, with his thoughts and actions, will always remain a source of inspiration for all of us.